Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Denver, Cincinnati. No, let me stop. Anyway, tonight I'm gonna be showing y'all my nightly regimen on, why my skin is so clear. I know a lot of times I use filters, but it really doesn't matter. So basically, what you're gonna need is raw and original black soap. It comes in a bar. As you can see, the black soap is brown. Real black soap, excuse me, is not black. If you want it in its rawest, purest form, then it has to be brown. If it's black, that means there's dyes in it. They dyed it black, because, it's called black soap. So I guess they thought people would want to see it black. But again, real black soap is brown. So basically, I cut this in half because it comes like twice this size. And you can and this big bar, it'll last you a while. You can actually use it for your body and stuff like that. It really clears everything. It's pure. I believe it comes straight out of Ghana, West Africa. So basically, you're just gonna lather it up like you would do any other soap. Wet it and see. Lather it up in your hands. That's how I do it. And then how I do it is I go like in a circular motion. Reason being you wash your face in a circular motion is because it actually opens up the pores. And a lot of people like me that actually have oily skin, this part right here, like if you lift your nose, you'll see that white stuff that come up, that's oil. And so my hair, same thing, go to the forehead in a circular motion. You see, just go like that, hit all of that. And get that chin a little bit underneath. And then just take a rag. Obviously you're going to wet it all the way through, And so what I do is I kind of go like this and hold it. And I'll go back in a circular motion again, because it lifts the pores, Get that chin, nose up, get the forehead. And then, obviously the soap got on it. So you just gonna rinse off the rag. And then you just, wipe the rest of the soap off your face, like that. And so, basically, you see how dry my face looks. It's a little red because I was, rubbing it, but that's okay. And so, I don't really touch it after that. I kind of let it, air dry for a second. What I use is the Neutrogena for nighttime. You can use any kind. This is Rapid Wrinkle Repair. No, I don't have no wrinkles, but I'm a firm believer of prevention is better than cure. So why not? And so you just open it, and when you squeeze it, only a little bit comes out anyway, and that's actually all you need. And so what you do is, since mine is the Rapid Wrinkle Repair, you can use whichever one that you want. I have other ones for Bright Boost, for in the morning. You just, you hit where wrinkles would come. Again, I don't really have wrinkles, but I do know that wrinkles come here and there, especially if you smile a lot. And you rub the lotion in a circular motion, you know, in the problem areas. See? Like that. And you take the rest, put it around there. I smile a lot, so, you know, prevention, again, is better than cure. And I just get under and you know, all the little areas that would create a problem or that have a problem. And then there you go. You know, I'm very young and I'm using wrinkle repair. But again, you know, when it's time for my wrinkles to arrive, they won't be there. So that's the cool part. And there you go, get the chin. And like I said, that's all that's needed. You see how nice and creased my face looks? Looks great. And then there you go. Now, I'm gonna say this, if you like this content, please like or comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and there's your nightly regimen. Very fast, 3-minute process. Have a good night.